Hey there, I'm Stephanie, the creator of this incredible annual budget planner. Not too long ago, I was financially unorganized and constantly forgetting bill due dates and amounts. Yes, it was chaotic and to say the least. But I took matters into my own hands and created these plates. And you know what? They worked wonders. They brought order to my finances and positively impacted every aspect of my life. And that's actually what I hope these templates will do to you too. So I officially welcome you to your exciting financial adventure. Guys, I am so thrilled to know that you are embarking on this journey toward a new level of financial security. And while this journey may have its own challenges, I am here to guide you with enthusiasm, energy, and just the right amount of seriousness to help you navigate the numbers and calculations in this tutorial. Actually, you don't even need to navigate the calculations because yes, they are all done for you. So today, I'm going to show you how quickly and effortlessly you can set up your budget planning tool, empowering you to take control of your financial life. How about right away? Okay, let's go. First things first, click on the link provided in the welcome sheet of the PDF you received when you purchased your annual planner. This will transport you to a Google Drive screen where you will be prompted to make a copy of the document. Once you click Make a Copy, a local copy of the document will be secured, saved to your Google Drive, and that's it. Now you are ready to begin your financial transformation. So let's head over to my Debt Layer calculator now. So here is the Debt Layer calculator, and it is an incredible tool that harnesses the power of the debt snowball method. And the debt snowball method is a method that will help you pay off your debts in a strategic order. So you start from the smallest amount to the largest balance. So by tackling the smallest debt first, you will build tremendous momentum and also motivation to keep going. But that's not all, because as you pay off each debt, you will roll its minimum payment into the next debt, accelerating your progress and achieving debt freedom even faster. And then all you have to do is to keep repeating this process until you are completely debt free. So you can use the Debt Layer calculator as an optional addition to your annual planner, or you can use it as a standalone calculator. Your choice. Either way, it is designed to supercharge your debt repayment journey. So now let's dive into the steps, how to use it. Step number 1, all you have to do is enter your starting date, your monthly snowball amount, and any extra amount that you want to allocate toward your debt repayment. So if you want to give your debt-free journey a strong head start, go ahead, and add an extra amount that you are comfortable with. Step number 2, enter each of your debt, starting from the one with the lowest balance, which is your smallest debt, to the one with the highest balance, which is your largest debt. And here we are prioritizing basically smart debt management. In step number 3, all you have to do is scroll down to see the incredible potential of how soon you could be debt-free. And this part is really the thrilling moment because you can envision your brighter financial future. And finally, report any of your monthly debt payments to your monthly budget tabs in the debt section. We will explore that further in a moment. So now let's move on to your annual budget planner. So click on my annual budget log tab. And in this section, you will have the opportunity to input the name of your budget categories. So this step only needs to be done once, as each category name will automatically appear in your monthly budget planner, thus eliminating the need for repetitive data entry. So this is a very time-saving feature. So let's begin with the income section. So enter here the various type of income that you expect to earn throughout the month. Then actually throughout the year. And then whether it's your salary or side hustle, make sure to include all of your source of income. Next, let's move on to the bills section. And here you will focus on fixed expenses that typically remain the same each month, such as your rent or your mortgage, childcare, your Netflix subscription, car payment, insurance, internet, cable, you name it. Any fixed expense that you have will be entered there. So now let's explore the spending section. And this is where you will track any variable expenses like groceries, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and more. Here I have provided some pre-written examples, but feel free to customize them to align to your personal needs and preferences. Moving on to the savings section. So here you have the opportunity to create savings categories, whether it is an emergency fund or a vacation fund. Let's say, for example, you are saving for a trip to the beautiful French Polynesian islands of Tahiti. Yes, I would love to go there. It is so beautiful. So let's say I can name it Trip to Paradise, for example. Just write anything that you want, anything that really inspires you to achieve your savings goals. Because here on that section, you have to make your dreams a reality. And finally, let's move to the debt section where you will enter every category of your debts, which can include credit cards. It can also include your student loans, for example, or even money you owe someone. So that's it. Here, you do not need to enter any numbers. Actually, all the numbers that you see currently on the screen are coming from your monthly budget, because as you record each amount, they will auto-populate this page. So really, all you have to do is enter all the category name. That's all. So now let's dive into the optional but highly beneficial step. Here it is, the annual dashboard. So click on the annual dashboard. And this section here will allow you to input your savings and debt repayment goals if you already have them in mind. So if you already started with the debt slayer calculator and you know your monthly debt repayment goals, you can enter them there. Otherwise, you can skip this tab altogether. It doesn't really matter. But if you do use it, it will help you, to stay focused and motivated throughout your financial journey. But again, it is an optional step, but it can also be beneficial. So it's up to you. It will not affect the quality of your financial journey. So step number 1 was entering all the names of your bills, income, savings, and debts, and also spendings. So now let's proceed to the exciting part, which is step number 2. And here you're going to go to the tab for the current month. So as you can see already, all the category names that you entered from your annual log have been seamlessly transferred here, making it easy to manage your income and expenses and start recording your budgeted amounts. So the budgeted amount represents your expected income or expenses for each category. So here on the income section, enter your budgeted income. And as you see, as you enter this amount, watch them come to life in vibrant yellow colors on the chart. You will also see the remaining amount to budget here, which will be automatically updated as you enter your expenses. So now that we have your budgeted income set up, let's move on to the bills section. So here we are in the bills section, and here you follow the exact same process. So here you enter the due date by double-clicking on the cell here. Enter your budgeted amount for each bill, and voila! This is how you stay organized. So now let's move on to the spending section. In the spending section, you only need to record the budgeted amounts. The actual expenses will be tracked separately, as I will show you in just a moment. So here we're really trying to simplify the process to keep you on top of your spendings. But before we move on to the savings section, take a moment to look at the amount left to your budget. This is a valuable information that will help you come up with realistic savings and debt payment amounts that you can comfortably afford, thus reducing unnecessary stress and also ensuring a smooth financial journey. So once you've entered all of your budget amounts and assessed where you stand, it is time to move forward. And guess what? Here on this demo, it looks like that we have some extra room for extra wine this month. Yay! But really, guys, just celebrate small victories along the way. It will really help. Now let's proceed to step number 3. So go back to the income section and enter the actual amount of money you made. This may be similar to your budgeted income or lower or even higher than expected. And by recording your actual income, you will have a clear and accurate picture of how much money you have to work with. So here it is really where we keep it real. So as you see, as you enter the actual income, watch also another part of the chart light up. And also, what I really like is pay attention to the interactive prompt that changed based on the amount of money that you have left. You know, I think it's an engaging way to stay connected and motivated throughout the financial journey, especially when we embark on it by ourselves. So at this stage, let's make every dollar count. So move on to the bills section, and here also enter the actual amounts for your bills. However, in the spending section, we will not record the actual number just yet. Instead, let's move on to the other exciting feature of the template, which is the transaction tracker. So here, click on the arrow and you will discover a list of spending categories, the exact same one that you found on your spending section and also in your annual log. So choose the relevant category, enter the amount of your expense, a description, and a date. Voila! The transaction will automatically be recorded and reflected in the spending area. This added tool is really about simplifying, tracking all of your expenses for you. So enter also the actual amount for your savings and the actual amount for your debts. If you have any vacation funds, make sure you add a little bit more towards your fund. No, I'm just kidding. Just do what it's comfortable for you. And this is what's awesome about this template. So based on your actual income and expenses, you can see here 3 different charts that basically show you where you stand. So here you will have a breakdown of all of your different income sources and how much do they account in comparison to your overall income. Here you have your money flow breakdown, and basically what it does is basically shows your different type of spending categories or expenses categories and the proportion that they take in your overall expenses amount. And here you have your budget versus how much you actually spend, just to see if you actually kept up to your promises. Did you spend more than you budgeted, or did you spend less? Well, as long as you made more money, or at least as long as you have available money, I guess it's fine. So, but here you will have anyways, you're available to spend with a prompt showing you where you stand and a little prompt here and there to keep you motivated, to keep you on track. Now, let's see how everything comes together in step number 4. So step number 4, all you have to do is to go to my Year at a Glance tab. So click on it. And this is a remarkable document that will provide you a bird's eye view of your financial journey as recorded in your monthly budget. It will also help you visualize your overall income, identify the sources of your money, gain valuable insight into your spending habits, and stay motivated with your monthly savings and debt charts. So it's really a type of, I would say, window to financial clarity and success. So that's it, my friends. Congratulations! Really, by following these simple steps, you are really setting yourself up for long-term stability, long-term control, and freedom from financial worry. Also, guys, do not forget, celebrate every milestone. Really, this journey is supposed to be fun, so embrace every step in it. Okay, guys, so remember, if you have any questions or you need any further assistance, feel free to message me directly through the Etsy app, and the link is provided on the instruction tab of your template. Okay, guys, it was really a pleasure introducing you to the Annual Planner, and I really hope that this tutorial will be very helpful to you in using this amazing tool. I want to thank you also for being so kind in keeping up all the way till the end and trying to decipher my French accent. I tried my best to make it as clear as possible. So thank you. All right, guys, happy easy budgeting, and I wish you best of luck, and on top of that, an amazing life. Bye bye.